Hello, first grade families. This is Mrs. Boutwell. First off, I would like to thank you for all the hard work so far this school year, and I would like to remind you of the importance of keeping your students' attendance up to date. If you are missing multiple days or missing cumulative attendance hours, please be sure to get that updated today. I'm going to show you how to update that in case you do need some assistance with that. So when you log into the online school, you will want to log into the Learning Coach account. After logging into the Learning Coach account, on the side here, you will then select the Attendance tab. Clicking the Attendance tab will open up the attendance window. If you have multiple students, you will need to select your first grade student so then you can update their attendance. You select that here, select your student, and then you will see your first grade student's attendance window here. Next, moving over to the left side of the screen here, if you have missing days, you'll see an area here that says missing days. You can select view and it will show you all of the missing days for that student. So you will select the first one there. If it's a school day that you did not complete lessons, you can click the auto enter here, select 0 in all empty spaces, and then click save. Adding 0 will clear that as a missing day. Then you would go to your next missing day. You can do the same if you did not school, enter 0. Now, if it is a day that you did complete lessons, you would select that day and then you can add in the hours for whatever courses you completed that day. So say this day I did the math, writing skills, literature, phonics, vocabulary, and science. I would select that, click save. It will save those hours for me, and then I would go to the next missing day. You want to make sure all of these missing days are cleared. So whether it's a day that you didn't school, you would enter 0, or a day that you did school, please make sure those hours are entered in the window here. Okay, so now a few other reminders here. So our school attendance policy states that students that are missing 10 school days or 10% of the overall hours may be withdrawn from AZVA due to excessive absenteeism. So please be sure to keep the attendance updated. Also, please remember that we will be rewarding students for meeting the attendance requirements. Certificates will be sent out monthly for those students that have at least 95% of the required attendance hours logged. We will also be holding drawings at the end of the semester for some really fun prizes for those that have met the attendance goal. If you have any questions, please let me know, but remember that together we can. Thank you.